To view, add, and remove sleeping apps in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care and then tap battery. Tap background usage limits. Next, tap sleeping apps. Here you can see the list of apps that have been put to sleep, either manually added by you or automatically added by your phone. As a note, sleeping apps will run in the background only occasionally, thus updates and notifications may be delayed. Next, to add an app to this list or to put an app to sleep manually, tap the plus icon at the top right. Select the required app you like to put to sleep and then tap add. You can see that the selected app has been added to the list under user add section because this app is put to sleep manually by you. Next, to remove an app from this list or set an app to never sleep manually, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right and then select remove. Now select the required app you like to set to never sleep. And then tap remove. By doing this, the selected app has been removed from the sleeping apps list and will be moved to the never sleep app list. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.